Hi there! Today we are continuing our apartment tour series, and this is the second apartment I'll be showing you. If the first one was all about style and compact living, this one is all about space and comfort. But is it really as cozy as it looks? Let's find out together. A spacious apartment that has everything you need for a comfortable life. A huge living room, a bedroom with access to a balcony, 2 bathrooms and even a walk-in closet. But the big question is, how practical and cozy it is. Let's break it down step by step. Let's go! It is the massive living room. The first thing that catches your eye is this huge sofa, big enough for an entire soccer team. And look, it's positioned right in front of the TV. This is the perfect spot for a movie night with a big group of friends. Such a huge sofa, but such a tiny TV. Watching movies on this with a big group? Not very convenient. It's a little sad. But what's not said about this living room are these panoramic windows. They are absolutely stunning. And of course there is access to the balcony, but we'll get to that later. The kitchen. It's got everything you need to live your best life. A dishwasher, a washing machine, and so many cabinets that I honestly have no idea what you would put in all of them. You could definitely hide your secrets in here, or your spice packets, whatever works for you. But if I'm being honest, what I don't like about this kitchen is the glossy finish. The moment you touch the surface, it leaves smudges everywhere. Sorry, but whoever chose this design clearly didn't think it through. Let's move on. Let's talk about the bedroom. This is all about the coziness and minimalism. A big bed, absolutely love it. Also a bonus, a work desk by the window, perfect for working in your bedroom or even touching up your makeup. And if you want some privacy, there are these total black curtains that create complete darkness, ideal for those who love to sleep in. What's wrong with this bedroom? There is no TV. I don't know about you, but I love watching something before bed. Now let me show you the balcony. There is so much room here. I absolutely love it. On summer evenings, this would be the perfect spot to hang out with friends. This balcony is so big, I actually need some time to run from one end to the other and back. Next up, the bathroom. There is nothing particularly special about this bathroom, but honestly I prefer showers. Taking a nice bath isn't just really my thing. But this mirror, I love it. I'm definitely getting one like this for my place. 2 bathrooms, now that's convenient. One is a full bathroom with a shower and the other is just a toilet. Don't argue, this is super practical, especially when you're sharing the place and everyone's rushing in the morning. And last, but definitely not least, the walk-in closet. Tons of shelves, hangers and drawers. You can fit all your winter clothes and your sale finds in here. So, this apartment is a real gem for anyone who values space and comfort. A big living room for hosting friends, a bedroom with total black curtains for perfect sleep, and even a walk-in closet to save you from closet chaos. What do I think? I liked it. I totally live here. With a few tweaks, I'd be perfect. An apartment isn't just walls, it's a place where you will create memories. So choose with your heart, but don't forget about comfort. See you in the next tour, bye!